The next generation of 3M precision-shaped grain is here, helping take your work to new levels of productivity. 3M Cubitron 3 Performance Abrasives. Produce more with less. With our re-engineered abrasive technology, you're ready to face the challenges of the industry with 3M science on your side. Designed to cut faster, so you can process more parts with a smaller crew. Less hand-arm vibration, noise, and dust, so you can prioritize safety. Longer-lasting abrasives and enhanced packaging, so you can prioritize sustainability. Optimized for robotic solutions, so you can maximize productivity and performance. Building on more than 100 years of innovation, 3M was the first to manufacture shaped abrasive grain. The geometry of the shaped grain helps it act like a miniature cutting tool. These grains fracture to produce consistently sharp points throughout the life of the abrasive, helping provide better durability, faster and cooler cutting products. With 3M Cubitron 3 Performance Abrasives, the industry has a new way to transform how work gets done. More proprietary breakthroughs in abrasive grain technology. See the shaped grain evolving to make even sharper points as it fractures. And stronger molecular bonding technology for increased durability. Make your business even more efficient and help boost your bottom line with 3M Cubitron 3 Performance Abrasives. The shape of your future is here. Productivity delivered. Designed to improve worker safety. Automation ready. When you use 3M Cubitron 3 Performance Abrasives for heavy grinding and cutting, paired with Scotch-Brite for surface conditioning, you get a winning abrasive combination that's designed to give you the best productivity and surface finish for your job. 3M Cubitron 3 Performance Abrasives. Produce more with less.